Good morning, everybody. So we're giving the car a cleaning because of all the sanding with the plastic. The debris has gotten absolutely everywhere. It's just wow. So I got to clean up real quick. As you can see, I'm in the process of buttoning everything back up. I got to take the knee bolster back down here in a minute so that I can get everything tucked in and find out why the antenna's not working. But I mean, it literally got absolutely everywhere. I can't give this back to the client like that. So we'll get this all clean and taken care of, make it look as pretty as we can get it. And we got the main carpet already done. Da-da-da, da-da-da. That is so much better. But okay, guys, this one's gonna be a little short because I want to get this done and start getting the car back together, get it buttoned up, and get the antenna working so that we can get this client's car back to him, hopefully soon, because I know we're still waiting on parts for the carburetor. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, have a good morning at 15 after 7. And good morning again, everybody. Doesn't she look so beautiful, cleaned up? Absolutely lovely. I gave the seats a super quick conditioning and it soaked it up like you would not believe. Dashboard and all, back seat area is all nice and clean now. Come on, focus. There we go. So we'll get that all taken care of. We just ordered the battery, so I can put a battery in here and we can double check to make sure why the antenna is not doing its thing. I pulled all the stuff out, so I should be able to just button this up, I'm hoping, here shortly. All right, guys, this one's gonna be short, but to the point. We'll see you on the next one.